I'm going to explain what is the meaning of value of a polynomial at a particular value of x. Now, let us suppose, for the discussion's sake, we are going to consider polynomial containing one variable x. So, our polynomial will be named tx. I've taken a very simple polynomial so that it is easy to understand. Now, first try to understand one thing. Now, this polynomial has the variable x. That why is called x a variable? Because if you give different values to x, you will get different values of the polynomial. So, it depends on the values of x. That is why x is variable. X can take up any value. So, suppose someone says it's x equal to 1 bole dilo. Suppose x equal to 1. What is the value of the polynomial when x is 1? If x তখন 1, তখন polynomial value কত? So, how do we write it and how do we find it? First of all, value of the polynomial px when x equal to 1, a lamba statement, this big statement is written by one simple symbol, and that is p1. So, when this is the polynomial, p1 means value of the polynomial when x is 1. So, very simple, when x is 1, just replace all the variables x by 1. So, 1 cube minus 2 into 1 square plus 1, and you calculate the value. So, that is 1 minus 2 plus 1, that is 0. Right? So, similarly, if somebody asks you what will be the value of the polynomial when the value of x, that is a variable, is 2, that means I have been asked to find p2. So, again we put 2 whole cube minus 2 square plus 1, and then calculate the value whatever it is. I am not going into that. So, here I missed out this, that is when x is minus 1. It is not that x will take up only positive values, it can take up my negative values, fractional values. So, suppose we want to find out p of minus half. That is when x takes the value minus half. So, simply put x, replace x by minus half. So, minus half whole cube minus 2 into minus half whole square plus 1. So, this is how we find definite particular values of a polynomial when a particular value of x is given to us, right?